So this is what happens when you buy the entire Mittler Brothers catalog. What's up, Poppy?
What's going on, man?
What is all of this?
This
like
is
Christmas morning for you.
Christmas morning, 3 months later, yeah. Yeah, this is pretty much anything and everything that you never knew existed. And all these...
What is that, like a gear?
That's a scar die, yeah. These are all different step rolls and bead rolls and flat rolls and spoil rolls. Big old spoil rolls. I got all the different sizes to make the metal work around this shop unlimited.
Yeah, I would say so, man. This is super cool. It's like you can literally make any panel, anything, step die. I mean, you can recreate stuff like this and more, and
everything.
And all
Look
kinds
at
of
some
things,
of those
man.
big
Look
old
at that, man. I
steps.
never even know they made that one, a 1-inch flat. That's cool.
And I got 1.5 inch, 1.25 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8. Fucking, I got them all, man.
It doesn't end. It gets deeper.
There, got a bob wire die.
Oh, some Pam Anderson, that stuff right there.
That's it for those rednecks out there. You want to get into some metal work? Got redneck stuff. Yeah, this is pretty much making it to where you're unlimited to what you can do.
Unlimited, man. Look at that. It doesn't end. It just keeps going, man. There's a whole nother box.
There's a whole nother box.
We got the bead roller, the big old 36-inch, the big motor in here.
We got lights, we got camera, and we got action, man.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
We got a little bit of everything, and the crazy thing, you look at all this stuff, and I still got quite a few rolls that are on back order still. So.
Oh wow.
Pretty soon, man. We're gonna do samples of all these and make it, just step it up to the next level around here.
Hell yeah, man! I'm excited.
Me too.
All right, we'll get the rest of this unboxed, and we'll see what this is all about. Look at this freaking girl. Dude, this is cool, man. Got a light. I need to get one of these, man. Never seen one. I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
Adjustable. Look at all this stuff, man.
And I got some more stuff coming still. So
I know this isn't even even all of it, man. Look at that. Look at all this packing.
You put that in a press, and when you have a metal panel and you have bolts and stuff that are going in there, you press this thing in and it presses, and it'll put a recess actual step-up washer in your panel to where that bolt sits right inside there really nice. And it's all raised up like another piece, and it's super
nice way to kind of fasten everything.
And most people will look at those things and be like, how did you do that? it's these little gems like this that make all that stuff possible.
Yep, it's all little stuff, man. Is there more? Or?
There is more, and I got a couple of these that are on back order for different sizes. So you got hard, you're gonna have softer wheel. Nice softer wheel. And you could feel that rubber on there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's a harder one. That's a little softer.
A little bit softer. And then again here, this will be another one. And when you start doing all that art stuff, yeah. When you start doing all that,
like a medium.
Wow. All those little cool things, man, make it unlimited to what you can do.
DVD, man. There's all your instructions.
There you go. There's your instructions. You know, out of all this stuff, I cannot believe they did not send me a catalog.
No catalog? You bought the catalog.
You know why? This is all the catalog right here. There's nothing else in the catalog to buy.
This is the catalog.
This is the catalog.
All right, well, that was just our unboxing. We'll get all this sorted and situated, and there'll probably be another video. So, just a quick little teaser for now. Stay tuned.